Ultrasonic Humidifier. It's a big one. It holds almost 5 gallons, 4.8 gallons of water. With the accessories you need to put it together inside the tank. It comes with wheels, so it is easy to transport from one room to another one if you need. That is the pipe, and this guy goes on top of it. Okay, it has two installation methods, one with this screen, or you add the other one and use the pipe for the mist to get out of here, get out this way. After everything is installed, you put the power cord and connect it. You have to give this a minute to start putting mist out. It has a digital screen where you can choose the settings and everything. The remote control, so it's easier for you to use. You can see it produces a lot of mist very fast. It took less than 1 minute to do that. Remove also the white part here and just do the straight mist if you want. This is really good mist either way, with the tube or without it.
Very easy to use, has a very nice LCD display here. You got your timer function, and it also comes with a remote, which is pretty cool. Very easy. And it does actually, which is pretty cool, has wheels on the bottom so that you could easily move it, especially while it's full. That is very convenient.